Hello, hello, my beautiful YouTube peeps. Hi, everybody. How's it going? Oh, today is Tuesday. I have so much going on. Okay, let me motion you this way so you can see what's going on. There's the beautiful KitchenAid mixer. Here's some chopping going on down here. Hold on, let me position you back up so we can chit chat. Oh, and I did laundry. So that's why the laundry door is open, because I got the basket on the floor. Sorry about that. How are you guys? 11 days right now until Christmas. I'm sorry, what happened? Where did the year go? Today, I'm very casual. I went to the grocery store to pick up all this ingredients. I make these cookies, to my mom, my aunts, and that. I always make them every year. It takes a long time to make them. Hold on, I'm gonna leave you the recipe. I am telling you right now, this is the absolute best Christmas cookie recipe. It is, it's a version of a shortbread. Okay, that's all I can say. It's a version of a shortbread. It's it's semi-Greek, yet we switched it. So instead of walnuts, we put pecans. Instead of brandy, we put Southern Comfort. Hold on. Sorry about that. It calls for confectioner sugar, okay? So, my recipe is a cup. But last year when I made it, I don't know, it didn't feel sweet enough. So I'm gonna put like a cup and a half. That's here, let me move you over so you can see better. There we go, cup and a half. And that's it. And you mix this on pretty high. Well, now that it's gonna get incorporated, I'll raise the thing. But I like to scrape down the sides a little bit here and there. Now, the person that gave me this recipe was my friend's mom. And I was gonna lick the spoon. Real life. My friend's mom, and she told me, I'm gonna put it high now, and I hope you can hear me. She told me, let me move you over this way. She told me that the trick to this is beating it like for a long time. So now what I'm doing is I'm chopping pecans, and you gotta chop 2 cups of pecans. So I got whole pecans. They're amazing and very expensive this year. Wow, what's going on? I mean, we know what's going on, but we try to pretend we don't. We have an inflation, yes, unbelievable. So I'm gonna chop these pecans up, and I let that, do its thing. My day is really boring. I'm telling you right now. My life is super boring. I worked, I cleaned, I have a million, tedious tasks to do, tedious tasks. So, people don't vlog that kind of thing. I mean, I think people vlog this amazing lives. I don't know, their lives seem to be filled with so many things. Okay, here's my excitement today. I walked to Dollar Tree. Dollar General. Hold on, I'm coming. To get these. I got 2 of them. They were $4, maybe $5, $4.99 or $4. No, $4. And 25% off. So there you go. There's all the excitement today. Woohoo! And what else did I do? I did read some comments of the Christmas home tour video. Oh, do I got something to show you? Okay, I'll show you in a minute. Let Yeah, I'll show you now. Let me take you off the tripod. Okay, you noticed anything? The tree's missing. Dun, da, da. I moved it. I moved it with bated breath. It's daytime, so I'm not gonna turn it on yet. I don't know. When it was yesterday, it was driving me crazy. I don't know. And I thought, because it was behind me and I wasn't feeling, that Christmas vibe. I know the lights are off and everything's off. So I moved it here. I should have done that from the beginning. Oh well. C'est la vie. Okay, so I did that yesterday. Let me adjust the lighting because it's crazy. So I did that yesterday. Oh my God, when I told Angela I wanted to move the tree, she literally was ready to kill me. I'm like, no, we gotta move it. I said, I'm gonna hold part of it. You're gonna slide. It was like this whole concoction. We had to move the couches and everything. And then, okay, y'all, real life. So once or twice, at least twice a month, I like to scrub down the cabinets because they're white. So you know where this is going, right? You know where we're going with this? I'm gonna take all the ribbon off. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off. I'm taking it off tonight. I can't. I wanna clean my cabinets. They're white, they get dusty. In Southwest Florida, I find we have a lot of dust. Hello again, my sweet friends. How is it going? Let me adjust the lighting. Hi guys, how's it going? Okay, so you saw I got cut off because I wanted to finish the cookies. So these okay, I'm gonna tell you about these cookies. You have got to try and make them. They're so simple to make. They are amazing. Anybody that tries them absolutely adores them. So let me get them for you. And I'm all casual today, y'all. I'm all casual again. Look at this, look at this, look at this. So this is, everybody's been in them already. And I've had some friends over already and they've been in them too. Everyone loves them. Everyone loves them. So there's snowball cookies. They're like a shortbread, pecan, whatever you want to call it, cookie. Okay. So, to tell you the truth, I was going to film yesterday. Remember how I was telling y'all about my stomach issue? I'm still having that stomach issue. I don't know why. I don't know what is going on. I don't know if it's something I'm eating. I'm trying to monitor what I'm eating to figure it out. Who knows what it is? But I was really feeling kind of yucky and stuff. So I didn't film yesterday again. But what I did do is look at the cabinets. The ribbon all came down. I took all the ribbon down. Oh, I just couldn't do it anymore. I really wanted to wash the cabinets. It was making me crazy. And you couldn't really wash them properly. So I did that. And then today, really not much. Really, y'all, not much going on. Just everyday regular stuff. I want to start setting the table for Christmas. I'm going to go buy the world's tiniest turkey. It's okay, I guess. I mean, it is what it is. And that's it. And this weekend, actually, I'm going to go look at houses. I'm going to go look at some houses. I told you, I'm declaring. I'm gonna go look at houses. Yeah, so that's it. That's really what's going on with me. I just wanted to come on and say hi and see y'all. And I was the giveaway. Oh my goodness, we have to do the giveaway. Okay, well, I'm gonna take you off the tripod. I'm gonna pause for a minute and I'm gonna add the comments of that video in this you add it in it's a generator, like a automatic generator, and it'll pop up 5 people. So let me do that right now and then get that out so you guys can get those little candles. The winners can get the little candles. And that's it. Okay, 1 minute. I'll be right back. My sweet friends, I didn't realize I went on that app. I have to re-download it and all that. It's a little more complicated than I thought, and I didn't read all the comments. I realized that now when I took you off the tripod. So tomorrow we're gonna try and set the Christmas table. One of them for breakfast, maybe. Maybe the one for breakfast. And I'll have the winner tomorrow. I'll announce the winner tomorrow. And we'll do that tomorrow. Okay. Thank you for sticking with me on this Vlogmas stuff. I know some people don't really like this at all. Some people don't like this at all. And some people are very vocal that they don't like this. Come after the holiday season, we'll go back to normal. I promise. We'll go back to normal decorating. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Have the wonderful rest of your day, and I love you.